Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, just moved to our brand new campus in Parramatta, 22 𝗂𝗍𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 Place, Parramatta. Level 1, as soon as you enter here, you'll get Suite 1, which is our PD section, and Suite 2 over there, which is our NAATI section, guys. Now, let me quickly take you through our PD section, guys. So, as soon as you enter, you have got 2 consultation rooms over here where our consultants or experts will make proper plans, proper guidelines for you that what you need to follow to achieve your Australian dream, to claim up to 25 points towards your permanent residency. Now if you come with me, I'll quickly take you to our PD lab. So guys, this is a brand new PD lab. If you come with me, you see a lot of computers over here where our experts are always here to help you smash PT exam. You will get one-to-one feedback, personal feedback. Now what we have done, what specialty, what I noticed over the last 5-6 months, that what students do is they are not really comfortable. What happens is they are sitting all together. A person here is doing speaking, the other person is reading, he needs to concentrate, and then at the same time the person at the next sitting next to him is speaking very loud, and the person who wants to focus on reading is not able to concentrate. So we have divided our lab into 3 sections. So this area is the quiet study area where you want to study, or you want to do your listening section or your writing section, you can sit here. If you want to study in isolation, you want to sit in an environment where no one disturbs you, this is the room for you. Silent study. You will be studying by yourself. Our tutors will be here, but no one inside is allowed to talk, so you will be able to concentrate properly and smash your exam. At the over here we have got a speaking room, guys. If you are struggling in speaking and you need the same environment as you get in the exam, because students over here, they don't really get the same environment. If a person sitting here is doing reading and he is doing speaking, he won't really get the same environment, because in the exam when your speaking starts, you'll have 10 people around you will speak at the same time. So that's what we want to give you over here. If you're sitting in a speaking room, you will only have people who are doing speaking who will speak, so you will get the same environment, so that you are fully aware of what goes on in the exam and you are able to smash your exam. That's it, guys. I'll cover the rest of the section in another video. Thanks, guys.